Back to you, Dave. And, boy, good to see you. Congratulations on the reading copy of Minnesota copy here on the old National Radio. No problem whatsoever. We'll catch you guys later. Maybe we'll be in here tomorrow and you have a little more time to spend playing around. I'll give it back to you, Dave. And Stuart, nice to meet you. And your DX100 sure sounds good. I always love to sit and listen to those things. They have good audio, that's for sure. So, over to you, Dave. WD4PLI with the 26GS Midway City. This is WD6 MOU San Jacinto, San Bessa, 73 guys, and we'll catch you guys down the log. Have a good day.
Kilo 6 Charlie, Juliet Alpha, Hesperia back in. Oh my goodness, K6CJA. The Cactus Jackrabbit. How you doing, Ken? Let me send it to you, but I wanted to just react to what Ron was saying. And first, Ron, I'm so glad you're back on here, man. We were wondering what happened. And we're happy that you're back on, and you sure